Suzhou Johnsonite Automation Technology Company Limited was established in 2014 and is one of the domestic pioneer companies specializing in the R&D and production of electric cylinders. Our diverse product lines include electric cylinders, electric actuators, 6 degree of freedom stages, and slide modules. The servo electric cylinder is a modular product that integrates the servo motor and screw rod. The servo electric cylinder is an advanced electric actuator that combines the functions of motor, reducer, controller, and actuator. It has high precision, high efficiency, and programmability, enabling precise position control and diverse motion curves. As a technology-driven enterprise, we seamlessly integrate R&D, production, assembly, and sales, and have our own R&D team, design team, and sales team. We are committed to providing customized designs, optimizing parameters, and providing tailor-made solutions based on specific processes and requirements. Each link undergoes strict quality control, while supporting OEM and ODM services. We are also committed to popularizing electric cylinders to reduce the company's production costs, reduce energy consumption, achieve energy conservation and emission reduction, and contribute to sustainable development. We welcome customers from all over the world and provide professional technical support, reasonable prices, and reliable products. Johnsonite is eager to establish long-term partnerships with outstanding local companies from various countries to create a better future together.